Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal about in spite of and despite. In spite of and despite are synonyms. They mean the same and they are interchangeable. Despite is more formal and despite is more common in written English. And although and though and even though can be used as alternatives to despite and in spite of, but they are grammatically constructed differently. In spite of and despite have a similar meaning to although or even though. They express a contrast between two ideas or things. Look at the example here. In spite of the law, we use mobile phones while driving. This is idea 1 and this is idea 2. These two ideas are contrasting. The next sentence we have used despite. Despite the law, we use mobile phones while driving. Both these sentences mean the same idea. In spite of and despite are used to link two contrasting ideas or show that one fact makes the other fact surprising. They can be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Look at the example here. Despite the weather, the students enjoyed the cricket match. The students enjoyed the cricket match despite the weather. The main difference between despite and in spite of is that they are used with different structure. We use a noun, gerund or a pronoun after in spite of and despite. Look at the example here. We enjoyed our camp in spite of heavy rain. Here, heavy rain is a noun. Next, gerund. Gerund is verb plus ing. She was very fast in spite of being overweight. Despite the fact that she was overweight, she was very fast. Here we have used a different structure. The fact that she was overweight. The next sentence, in spite of the fact that she was overweight, she was very fast. Next example, in spite of her hard work, she never made much money. In spite of the pain in my leg, I came to school. These two sentences expressing a contrasting idea. I worked hard, but I never made money. Here, I have a pain in my leg, but I came to school. These two sentences are contrasting each other. Despite having poor health, she had a great birthday. She is having a poor health, but she had a great birthday. In spite of the fact that he worked hard, he did not pass the exam. The fact is that he worked very hard, but he did not pass the exam. Despite the fact that he worked very hard, he did not pass the exam. There is a small test for you. Frame two sentences with in spite of and despite. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.